Hey there, Pinterest enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech tips in a simple and fun way. Today, we're diving into something super useful: how to change the language in Pinterest for 2025. Whether you're switching to your native tongue or exploring a new one, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Pinterest account. Open the Pinterest app on your phone or head to the website on your computer. Once you're in, look for your profile icon. It's usually in the top right corner. Tap or click on it to access your account settings. Next, scroll down in your settings menu until you find the Language or App Language option. Pinterest might have updated its interface by 2025, but don't worry, it's still straightforward. If you're on the mobile app, you might need to go into Settings, and then Account Settings, to locate it. On the website, it could be under Edit Profile, or a dedicated Preferences section. Once you've found the language settings, you'll see a drop-down menu or list of available languages. Pinterest supports a bunch, like English, Spanish, French, and more. Simply select the language you want. Let's say you're switching to Spanish for this example. After making your selection, hit Save or Apply Changes. Now, Pinterest might take a second to refresh, and voila, your app or website should now be in the new language. Go ahead and check out your feed to make sure everything looks right. If it doesn't update immediately, try closing and reopening the app, or refresh the page on your browser. One quick tip: if you're using Pinterest on multiple devices, you'll have to change the language settings on each one separately. Also, remember that changing the language won't affect your saved pins or boards, just the interface text. There you have it, folks. Changing the language in Pinterest for 2025 is a breeze. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech hacks. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.